Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: gateway powered, firmware up to date, and network stable. This avoids connection drops. Once done, put the smart lock into its manufacturer pairing mode and keep fresh batteries installed so the radio transmits reliably. Make sure the gateway is in pairing state in its app or UI. You want the devices to discover each other quickly. Place the lock within 1 to 3 meters of the gateway to reduce interference, and temporarily disable VPNs or captive portals that block discovery. You now perform the detailed pairing steps. Open the Gateway app and choose Add Device, then select the correct protocol for your lock: Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Wi-Fi, because protocol mismatch prevents inclusion. If Wi-Fi, enter SSID and password. If Z-Wave/Zigbee, trigger the lock's inclusion button or sequence while the gateway listens. Watch the lock and gateway LEDs for confirmation, and if the app prompts for a firmware update, apply it now to fix compatibility and security issues. Make sure your phone stays near. You finish by assigning an admin account, creating access codes, and adding automations like lock on close or geofence rules, because permissioning and routines prevent accidental lockouts. Test both local and remote commands, verify battery level and sensor readings in the gateway logs, and confirm event history. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Move the lock to within 0.5 to 1 meter of the gateway, reboot the gateway, and retry inclusion. Only perform a factory reset on the lock if every other step fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.